Good morning, everyone. Well, today I was scrapbooking with my friend, and so anyhow, her granddaughter's about ready to graduate, so she's trying to finish the album that she's made for her. And anyhow, this was one of the papers that I made where I just layered a bunch of different scraps. I put some washi tape on here, some torn paper, and I think that's pretty much kind of what I've done to it. And then also I had made this embellishment, so she goes, oh, you ought to take it and share it so they get to see the paper that you made and the embellishment. And then she had this little bird, and then these were some other embellishments that I had made also that we tucked in here. And then the embellishment that we made, or that I made yesterday to go with the swap that actually starts today, was the B one. And so it's like we were playing with that, how it, to put it on a page. And I love how it turned out. So I thought I just wanted to show you how easy it was to use this embellishment, and I love how it turned out. It looks so cute. And I'll have close-ups of these both at the end. And this one here, I had kind of just, just kind of fussy cut it. And then, I think I kind of fussy cut all the different pieces, with the exception of this was a punch. Oh, and this was a die. And then the bird she had. So, it's like you can make, some things up. It's like it really turned out. Oh, and this is one of the, previously I had used this paper collection for one of my collection obsessions, and it is called Gather by Cartabella. So it's that luscious feeling paper. I just think they both turned out so cute, and she used two of my embellishments. So it's so fun. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the drawing for the second $20 gift certificate. Remember, it can be out of the country as long as they would take like Venmo or PayPal as a payment for the scrapbook place. And so I'm going to pause and pull it up because it takes me a while to make sure I get the right one, and I'll be right back. Okay, I found the thing. Sometimes it's like I pull one up and it's not the right one, and they want you to download it. It's like this. It's like I had to translate something today too, and it's like it used to be that you could just put everything in. Now they want you to do an app. Okay, I'm supposed to just be able to. How do I just paste the link? Okay. No, I don't want to copy, I want to paste. Well, I thought I knew what I was doing. Fetch? Nope, that's not it. I gotta paste. Paste my link. Oh, there it was. There we go. There we go. Now it's gonna, no duplicates. Okay, everything else is good. I got 27. Lisa Brown, 9384. All right, you're the winner, Lisa. I will put my email address down below so you can write to me there, and I will send you a link through your through your email of the $20 gift card. So thank you for playing, and thank you for joining me. I will have close-ups of these at the end, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye-bye.